And you? And you? I'm fine too. Before we begin today's class, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray enough. Alright everyone, today we will learn about probability, introduction to probability. With the following learning objective, the first, students are able to understand what is probability. The second, students are able to use basic vocabulary in probability, even outcomes and simple speech. And third, students are able to calculate simple probabilities. Before we start, does anyone here know what is probability?
Hi ma'am. Probability is the chance that something will happen.
Good job. Applause for Nida. Yes, that's correct. Probability is the chance that something will happen. Probability is a number that tells us how likely something will happen. It goes from 0 is impossible, to 1 is sure. With the example, if I flip a coin, what's the chance it lands on heads? This is a probability. Next, there are four basic concepts or important words to know. The first, experiment. Experiment is an action we do to see what happens. The second, outcome. Outcome is the result of the experiment. The third is sample space. Sample space is all possible outcomes. And the fourth is even. Even is one or more outcomes we care about. Next, probability formula. This PA is probability even equals NA. NA is number of outcomes over NS. NS is total number of outcomes. Okay, let's continue to the example question. First example question is, what is the probability of getting a 4 when rolling a die? Because number 4 in a die only 1 and a die has 6 sides, so the probability is 1 over 6. Next. Second example question about coin. What is the probability of getting tiles? In here, I have a coin. A coin has only 2 sides, which are heads and tails. So the probability is 1/2. Next. Okay, next. Third example question about a die game. What is the probability of getting a number less than 5 in a day? We know number less than 5 in a day is 1, 2, 3, and 4, where there are 4 outcomes. So we know NP is 4 and S is 6. So probability is 4 over 6 or 2 over 3. Do you understand?
Yes, understand Miss.
Okay, next. Please answer this question in your book within 15 minutes.
A few moments later.
Finish time. Okay, now let's answer this question in whiteboard. Any volunteer here?
Yes.
Okay, Ayah.
Miss.
And
Miss.
yeah, okay. Okay, good job.
And conclusion, probability describes how likely an event is to occur, and it is important to understand the experiment, outcome, sample space, and event info. The probability of an event can be calculated using the theoretical probability formula. This probability formula, PA equals NA over NS, which values always ranging to 0 to 1.
Okay, that's all about material introduction to probability. Before we end this class, let's pray together. Pray begin. Pray, yeah. Okay, sorry if we made any mistake during learning. Thank you for your participation and your attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke teman-teman, terima kasih sudah menonton videonya.